Life finds a way even here, amidst the silent decay of the wreck.
Deep beneath these waters lies a sunken warship, hiding over $500 million in gold bullion.
In this video, you will witness the full deep-sea recovery mission, Errands, from the descent to the extraction of gold from the ocean floor. Subscribe to Silent Factory Zone of Chies and join us as we uncover what the ocean has kept hidden for decades.
The sonar map is resolving the anomaly now.
Wait, hold position there.
Highlight confirms an elongated structure on the seabed.
As we push closer to the hull, the immense pressure of the deep becomes palpable. Notice the condensation.
A slow pan across the wreckage reveals a debris field of twisted metal and sediment-covered artifacts, adorned with eerie.
A school of ghostly fish swims through the skeletal remains of a shattered porthole, illuminated only by our submersible's lights. Extent of the corrosion on the heavily encrusted steel plates.
Focusing our attention on Deck 3, Section Bravo. This section shows significant structural degradation.
Deep within the hull, the lights reveal the true nature of the cargo. Stacks of metallic ingots covered in a thick sulfide crust. MV Perseverance begins its critical maneuver, positioning directly over the wreck site using its advanced dynamic thrusters.
Clear the railing, watch the side! All clear, push it now! Bring it down easy. Contact, secure the load. Hold it steady, guide it in now. Set, hook is set. Secure that line now.
Engaging the tension binder. Hard right.
Bring it down easy now, watch that corner. Almost there. Hold it steady. All right, swing them shut.
Doors are secure. Locking them now.
Utilizing advanced laser technology, the impurities are vaporized, revealing the definitive mark of the British treasury beneath.
Stored deep beneath the surface, identified only by its unique serial number, B4452.
These reserves funded the construction of vessels like the HMS Vendémiaire, seen here cutting through the waves in her prime. The MV Perseverance at night, a tiny island of light in a vast black ocean.